In this video, we will implement a REST API using GenericAPIView. What is GenericAPIView? GenericAPIView is a class-based view provided by Django REST Framework that gives you more control and flexibility while still providing useful features like query set, serializer class, built-in methods, getQuerySet, getSerializer. It's a base class for other generic views like ListAPIView, CreateAPIView, etc. Why use GenericAPIView? It allows you to reuse logic and extend behavior. It's helpful when you want to customize the way your API works without writing everything from scratch. You can mix it with mixins like list model mixin for listing, create model mixin for creating, update model mixin for updating, destroy model mixin for deleting, retrieve model mixin for getting a single item. If you want to know different ways to create REST APIs, go to my YouTube channel's playlist section and check out the Django REST Framework DRF playbook. Let's get started by installing Django REST Framework. Then create the project and app by following the commands along with me. Then go to settings.py and register your app name along with REST Framework inside the installed apps list. Next, map the app's urls.py file to the main urls.py by including it using the include function. Then create two new files inside your app directory, urls.py for defining URL routes and serializers.py for handling data serialization. Now go to the models.py file and create a model class book with the fields name and author. After that, go to the serializers.py file and create a class BookSerializer to serialize the book model. In views.py, first import the required modules to create a generic API. Now let's create the booklist generic API view class. Follow the code along with me. The get method will list all the books, and the post method will add a new book to the table. Now, let's create a new class called BookDetailGenericAPIView to handle retrieving, updating, and deleting a single book. Get method with ID. This method is used to retrieve a single book from the database using its ID. Put method with ID. This method is used to update an existing book. You send a put request with the book ID in the URL and the updated data in the request body. Lend the delete method with ID. This method is used to remove, delete a book from the database using its ID.